Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make shake effects in your videos on CapCut. So first, get your clips ready, and then here for this edit, I add 4 videos. And next, click on the first clip and then zoom the clip a little bit, zoom in like this, and then after that, add a keyframe at the beginning, at the middle, and also the end of the video. Oops. Okay, so there are 3 keyframes, and then at the first keyframe, move up your clip all the way up. So like this, and then oops, I'm going to do that again. Move up like this until you see the white lines, and then at the second keyframe, move the clip all the way down, so you bring it back the position, and then at the last clip, move your clip all the way up again like that. Okay, so it'll move like this, and then do this for all of the clips, and I'm going to get back to you when I'm done. Okay, I've already add keyframe on each clips like this, and I've already zoomed in. And next, what you need to do is go to the first clip, and in between the first and second keyframe, so in here, go to grabs and add the ease out one, this one. And then for this between the second and the third keyframes, go to grabs again, and now add ease in one. So do this also for all clips. I'm going to go to grabs again, ease in one, grabs, ease out one, and the second and the third ease in. So you need to do this for all of the clips. Okay, the last one. And here is the final result for the shake effect. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful to you. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like, and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.